Hello. I'm going to be doing my news story on a street in Herne Bay called Cremorne Street. Cremorne Street has been in the media kind of in the last 5 years because of their ever-changing housing prices. In 3 years, the housing prices went up 150%, from $3 million to $5.5 million, and I think it's going to be a really interesting human interest piece as well as a really interesting economic piece because it has a lot to do with the economic crises that New Zealand went through in our double-dip recession. I'll be talking to Graham Wall, who is the real estate agent for Cremorne Street, and he's the only person in New Zealand who has the ability to sell the $1 million houses on the street. I'm also going to be talking to residents such as Philip Mills, who is the owner of the Les Mills Empire. I'll be talking to Alex Sweeney, who is the CEO, chairman of part of the City Auckland Corporation, and I'll be talking to Steve Lockwood, who is the CEO of Crombie Lockwood, which is a broker company, and I'll hopefully find some really interesting things about why they chose those certain houses. It'll be really interesting to see Graham Wall's perspective on the real estate in Auckland and how our economic crises, I suppose they say, have affected our economic status. And that's my story.